Hi, my name is Gerardo. This is going to be the first video for teach you how can you personalize your command line identifier in macOS. That is a very simple video. It's only to teach you how can you do it since the beginning. The idea is to create a series of video where I can teach you how can you begin with the all regarding with the programming. I am a software engineer for the last 17 years, and the idea is to create or set up all your developer environment in macOS using VS Code, C Sharp, and .NET technologies. Okay, the first one is to personalize the command line identifier. What we need for this one? Okay, the agenda is to teach you how can you change the host name, and then will we install the Oh My Zsh. This is a manager themes that we can use it to personalize it. And the last step is going to download and setting the Solarized in the terminal. Uh, Okay, let's go to that. The first that we need to do is I have this virtual machine Mac OS is from scratch is empty completely. Okay, the first is to open the terminal. Here is the terminal. Okay, we have here the username, and this is the host name. This is the first thing that we need to change. Let me put a little big this because maybe you can read it better. Go to here, text, and the font. Open this one and maybe 14, 20. 20, okay, and okay, awesome. Let me close and open again. We need to close here and we'll try to open again. Okay, terminal. Oh, terminal. Okay, there is. Okay, looks better. A little big, but okay. What is the next step? We need to update or change the host name. How we can do that? Command that's the name is scutil, but we need to do with the sudo permission administrator. Okay, the first one we need to type a sudo. The next one is a csutil, that is the name of the command. What we do is set, okay, and what is going to be the new name. The name that I will choose is the gcamu.io. That's going to be make sense in the next video. By the moment, this is my personal page. You can visit it, and the idea is to complement all the videos, push all the changes in this domain. Okay. Okay. The first one. Okay. What is missing here? It is missing the host name that we are replaced with this name. Okay. Click here. It's a requirement the permission because we are used to the sudo 1 2. Okay, and let's see. Okay, what's going on here is because it's I use the correct parameter, but this parameter is case sensitive. Okay, we need to do again, and it's a host name. Okay, clear. Okay, when we already have setting the local host, it's not going to be immediately the change here. What we need to do, we need to close the terminal, okay, and we need to open again, and all the changes is going to be here, okay. You can do this whatever you wanna. You can change everything, every change you can do it here. For example, you can do I don't know, again is for example GCM. You can use a capital example, CMU, ENC, for example, and there is. We need to again introduce the password, and we need to reset and open again. You can do it this all day, whatever you need it. Is my new domain. Okay. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, that is very simple, very fast. Okay, let's go to continue. I will set out with I prefer the capital. It looks, I don't know, better for in my opinion. You can do it whatever you wanna do it. Okay. Okay, what is the next step? The next step is to download the Oh My Zsh. What is that? Okay, let me open this one, and here we can Google is oh my csh. This is a manager. We can looking for this in Google, very easy. There is the main page, okay, the official page here. And we have here we can go for to see all the themes that we already have. It's very extensive. You can see this in the GitHub official page, okay. And what we need to do? Okay, we need to download the first one. He have a huge button. Click it here, and we can do a lot copy this line of code. Go to here and only copy and paste. Yeah. Okay. Agree. Remember, all these virtual machine is from scratch. Is the reason because all the configuration settings permission you will be seeing in the front. That could be take a little. We need to be a little patient. Okay, that is done. What happened here? It's very simple. This is from scratch. I don't have installed a Git for clone the Oh My Zsh, and that could be the situation because macOS need to download all the installation that are missing. Okay, let's do that. Let me do again. There is. It's cloning. Okay. We already have installed. We can see that the line prompt is changed here. Okay. That is because that is using a default theme. What we need to do now for changing the theme. Okay, here we should be have in the ls -a. The ls is a command to give us the information about all that we have in the folder. But if we use a -a, that gives me all the hidden files. Okay. In this case, we are looking for this one. This one is the file that we can set in all the information. Okay, go for them. We can use a nano. It's a editor that we can use it. Slash dot. No, it's not necessary. It's like okay. There is. Okay, there is. We are open it here. We can go to check all the information in the documentation in the official page of the Oh My Zsh. Here we have all the documentation for how we can do it, or all the change of all the themes that we haven't. I think so is here. Okay, and how to setting. What we need to do, we have this variables, and we are using the current is a Robbie Russell. Okay, in my opinion, I prefer to use what is the name is let me check it here because I don't remember. It's py. This one is my favorite in my own opinion. What we need to do is only to copy, go here. Okay, Where are they? Okay, okay, there is. Let me move this, paste, okay. And by the moment, I think so is all that we needed to set up. To save the changes, it's only a Control X, yes, and enter. Okay. Again, we need to reset the terminal, open it, and look. We have a username, we have here the host name, and we already set it. What is the next one? What is the next shot? Okay. In my opinion, again, I like to use a Solarized theme. It's a nice one. We can use it. This is official page, and we can use this one for whatever. We have a two option: the light and the dark. The dark is it looks awesome with this theme. We can combine it. If we what we need to do is very easy. We need to the first one we need to download the last version. We need to click here, allow. Okay, there is. Okay, we are already here. And here we need to looking for, I think, okay, we have a terminals emulator. Okay, we have here in this folder. Let me put in list because maybe it's easy to watch. List. Okay, we have all this folder. We have here the iOS Terminal app. This is that we are using for us from iOS machine. Open it, and we have the two themes for the terminal, the light and the dark. Okay, I like this one, and I will use this one. Okay, how we can do that? Okay, first one, we need to go the terminal. We need to open the settings, and here the settings. Okay, and here we have this little option. We can add and personalize the whatever that we wanna create here, but or we can import. Let's go to import. Where I going to import? Okay, I have this file here, Solarized. Let me looking for the OS X terminal. Okay, yeah, I need to give the permission and the dark one. Okay, open it. And that should be here in the last one. Click as default. Again, close and close. We need to open it. Okay, that is awesome. That is awesome. Let me give you a more bigger no, bigger the font because it's too short and it's not possible to understand well. Maybe 14. Okay, again, close, close, and open it. No, it's too small, but I think so that we complete it. Okay, um, what we learned today is only to personalize your own terminal in macOS using Oh My Zsh, update the host name, and also import the Solaris theme. You can do this wherever that you preference. Remember, I am using a specific theme in Oh My CSH, and but you can use whatever that you needed in your preference. That is all for the moment. I really appreciate your common opinion. This is my first video. The idea is to continue to set up all your developer environment using a macOS and .NET Core for the language, the technology. Okay. See you later. Thank you so much. Bye.